Hi, I'm Duncan and this is a parent tube video. This video is going to be about hearing aids and cochlear implants and their types and parts. So here are some hearing aids. You've got completely in the canal, in the ear, canal, and all of these are behind the ear. So basically, completely in the canal hearing aids are going to be in the ear canal. A canal aid will be in the canal but kind of out here. And a in-the-ear hearing aid is going to be in the ear. And of course a behind-the-ear hearing aid will be behind the ear. So now, for the parts of a hearing aid, of course they'll be shaped differently. This is a picture of a behind-the-ear hearing aid, but their components will be the same. First, the sound gets picked up by a microphone, and it gets changed from sound waves to electricity. That gets sent down to an amplifier or a processor in an amplifier, and what that does is it changes the electricity into data that can be changed, and then it's amplified so that it can reach levels that are appropriate. That is then sent to the receiver, which changes that data back to electricity, which then goes out here into the ear mold, which has a speaker, and that changes the electricity into sound. So that's pretty much how hearing aids work. There are other kinds. There's something called a bone-anchored hearing aid, which instead of going into an ear mold in the ear, goes to the bone behind the ear. And that pretty much covers hearing aids in terms of a simple explanation. And cochlear implants, at first, at least on the outside, are going to seem kind of similar. I don't have a nifty picture like this, but a cochlear implant will pretty much look like this, except instead of going to an ear mold, you'll go to a transmitter, which will be this round object, which will be on the bone behind the ear, and that's attached to something on the inside, which is a receiver. Those attached via magnet, and the electricity, instead of going through here, will be sent through electromagnetism to the receiver on the inside. And then from the receiver, it goes, or that is the electricity, goes through electrodes which are inside the, or which are placed inside the cochlea. And then the electricity goes through the nerve up here into the brain. So that's a bit more complicated, perhaps, than a hearing aid. And I believe that's generally perhaps the most simple explanation about hearing aids and cochlear implants. Of course, if you'd like to know more, definitely, as I've said, feel free to do research. Of course, you can Google anything about hearing aids and cochlear implants, and talking to professionals is always a great idea. I hope this helped, and don't forget to watch more ParentTube videos. Thank you, and have a good day.